We're all looking for that secret to getting ahead, the hack, the shortcut. But what if the most powerful path to real growth isn't a sprint at all, but a marathon? Today, we're going to explore a huge mindset shift, treating learning as your life's work, not just a quick fix. Does this question sound familiar? Whether you're trying to start a business, learn a new skill, or get your head around AI, this is so often the very first thing we ask. And according to Dr. Hernani Costa, our source for this explainer, it's the one question that can completely sabotage our greatest ambitions before we even start.
So, where does this obsession with the timeline even come from? Well, it starts with the world all around us. A world that's constantly promising a shortcut for, well, everything.
I mean, just think about it for a second. One-click delivery, viral life hacks that promise to change everything for you, AI tools that are marketed like they're some kind of magic wand. This whole culture creates this illusion that deep, meaningful growth should also be instant, which just sets us all up for a huge letdown when reality hits. And that brings us right to the core of the problem, what Dr. Costa calls the how long mindset. Let's really break down why asking this question completely misses the entire point of achieving anything truly worthwhile. It's a really strange paradox when you stop and think about it, right? We totally accept that it takes 12 years to get through high school, or maybe 5+ years for a master's degree. And yet, when it comes to the big stuff, like building our dream life or mastering a game-changing skill, we expect it to happen overnight. Why is there such a disconnect? And here is the real danger of that mindset. When we don't see results on our, totally made-up, accelerated timeline, what do? We quit. We get discouraged and we fall right back into the exact same situation we were so desperately trying to escape in the first place. Okay, so if that's the trap, how do we get out? It requires a pretty powerful mindset shift, reframing our whole approach to growth, from thinking of it as a sprint to seeing it as a marathon. This really gets to the heart of it all. The goal isn't to fixate on some imaginary finish line. It's to commit to the process, to the journey itself. Because this isn't just another project you're taking on. This is your life's work. So this means we have to redefine what learning even is. It's not something you do to pass a test. It's a fundamental, daily practice. It becomes this non-negotiable part of a meaningful life, just like brushing your teeth. It's the fuel for everything else. But let's be super clear about what this looks like in practice. This is not about burnout. It's not about cramming for 4 hours a day and letting your health and your family suffer. No. It's about building a sustainable, balanced routine where you dedicate focused time. Maybe it's just 30 minutes every single day. So, how does this marathon mindset actually apply in the real world? Let's look at one of the biggest topics out there today, artificial intelligence. What's the right way to approach it? First things first, we have got to ditch the idea that AI is a magic wand. There's this popular myth going around that'll just build your business for you or solve all your problems with zero effort on your part. And that kind of thinking is a trap. So, the myth is that AI is this savior that replaces human effort. But the reality? The reality is that AI is an ally, a seriously powerful tool that amplifies your own skills. It doesn't deliver miracles. It rewards your commitment to actually learning how to use it. So what does that actually look like? Well, it means you're actively learning. It means you master prompt engineering, so a chatbot becomes your trusted co-pilot. It means you learn AI-driven marketing to really grow your business, or you explore ethical AI to spark real innovation. The point is, you're in the driver's seat. All right, now for the really exciting part. Because when you commit to this consistent, long-term habit of learning, something absolutely incredible starts to happen. You unlock compounding benefits. This is where the real magic happens. Learning isn't just some isolated activity. The knowledge you gain in one area starts to ripple out, creating these positive effects across your entire life. Let's actually trace this cycle out. It starts when you learn a new tool, say AI automation. That makes you way more efficient, which frees up a ton of mental energy. Then you can apply those new skills to accelerate your career or your business. And with that extra energy and knowledge, you can even focus on improving your health. It becomes this amazing, self-reinforcing loop. And this just highlights the massive difference between passively consuming stuff and actively learning. Think about it. You're not going to remember what you liked on social media yesterday, are you? It's fleeting. But dedicated learning, that stuff embeds itself into who you are. It literally transforms you from the inside out. Okay, this all sounds great in theory, but how do you actually do it? Let's end with a super clear, actionable plan to help you build the sustainable habit starting right now. Dr. Costa lays out 4 really practical steps. First, prioritize it. Actually block out time for learning in your calendar. Second, focus on impact. Pick topics like AI for productivity that will create benefits in multiple areas of your life. Third, track your progress so you can celebrate those small compounding wins. And finally, avoid distractions. Make the choice to swap mindless scrolling for curated learning that actually moves you forward. And remember, the goal here is not perfection, not at all. It's about making consistent progress. The most important step you can possibly take is the first one. Just start the journey, but commit to it for the long haul. So, that really just leaves us with one final question to think about. I want you to forget the sprints, forget the shortcuts. What is the meaningful, life-changing marathon that you are ready to begin today?